So we have this Honda Fit here. I think this is a 2015 or so. It's the type that has the push button, and the push button is broken. Normally you'd press this button and you'd hear a click and the door would actually open then, or the hatchback. But that's not the case. So we're going to be replacing this. I'll link in the description to this video below on how to replace that. But for now, if you just need to get it open temporarily, I figured it out. Come around to the back, and if you look at this white plastic piece, you'll see there's this little door looking thing on one side. If you just flip this plastic up, you can then actually get at the latch, push that to the side, just like that, and you can open the hatchback. So that's actually how you get into there. We're gonna get that little push button replaced. Like I said, I'll link to that video and show you guys how to do that as well. So hope that you enjoyed. Talk to you later.